Okay, so you think you would smell Coke syrup or like just soda on the track there, but actually all you smell is fuel. So quite an interesting experience out there, but just really cool to see that literally anything with a motor can be raced around that track.
I feel like that stickiness would just get everywhere.
Yeah, and it is a little sticky actually as you walk on the floor and the surface just because of what it is. But today, if you want to do anything indoors and test out your Coke syrup skills maybe, that's a good day to do that.
Yeah, it certainly looked like a fun story there, Nicole. Right now we are talking about colder air moving in this morning. If you stepped outside in the last hour, it felt okay, not bad. Chilly, temperatures in the 30s, but it is going to be getting much colder here throughout the rest of the day. And unfortunately, that's going to be coming with some pretty strong winds as well. We could be talking about wind gusts around 30 miles an hour here by the mid-morning into the afternoon hours, and that's going to stick around into the evening as well. So a windy and colder day, and that cold is going to settle in through at least Tuesday, but we do have some warmer temperatures by the end of the week. We'll show you that here in just a moment. This morning, cloudy skies for most of us. They're having a few breaks in the clouds, but also watching some very light flurries or sprinkles working their way in from the west to around Omaha. It's now passing by Atlantic and will continue to slide down I-80 toward the metro, but there's not much to that. Just a couple of snowflakes here and there. That's about it. We do have a little storm system that's quickly sliding by to our north. It's moving through Minnesota and Wisconsin right now. That's responsible for bringing the north winds back to the area today. And you'll notice those north winds as you step outside. Right now, 33 degrees, not bad for January, but there's that northwest wind already at 21 miles an hour. And you can see our temperatures already dropping on the northwest side of the metro. Grimes down to 28, Johnson already 29, 24 in Perry. But we're still holding on to 35 in Pleasantville and 36 in Indianola. Those will be your high temperatures for the day. There's the cold air. Spencer just dropped to 23, 21 in Algona. Wind chills already down to 5 in Algona. It's going to be a chilly day. There's those northwest winds, 20 to perhaps 25 miles an hour. There you go, 25 miles an hour in Sioux City. So these strong winds, yeah, they're sticking around here through the rest of the day, and they only increase here throughout the morning. So gusts about 20, 25 by 7, 8 o'clock. Then by 10, 11, we see some of those gusts around 30 miles an hour. Would not be surprised to see a couple of spots, especially across northern Iowa, get some gusts around 35 miles an hour here throughout the early afternoon hours. And with the colder air moving in, that's going to drop our wind chills down to the teens and single digits for the rest of the day. So it is going to be a cold one out there thanks to those strong northwest winds. There might be a couple more flurries, but otherwise just looking at cloudy conditions, temperatures settling to about 25 by noon. And that's pretty much where we stay through the rest of the afternoon. And then as we get into the evening, we start to see those temperatures drop even more into the teens and even single digits here heading into the overnight. So the wind chills here today into the teens, single digits, perhaps close to 0 here as we get into the afternoon hours. And very cold heading into Monday morning, down to 7. 19 is all we get Monday afternoon. 3 Tuesday morning. That'll be the coldest we get with this round of cold air. 17 on Tuesday, but look at Wednesday, 32, 43 Thursday, 44 Friday. That looks nice. Another round of cold air moving in by the next weekend.